Video marketing is massive for our industry. It is something that must be part of your daily routine. A lot of us are camera shy and don't know how to overcome our shyness in front of the camera. I'm going to show you how to shoot real estate videos without being shy. Hi, my name is Mansour. I've been a talk producing agent now for over 15 years. It wasn't always easy for me, and I was lucky enough to experience the ups and downs of many different real estate markets. But the good news is for you is you don't have to, as what I'm about to show you will generate business and build relationships for life. Video has taken off everywhere. Everywhere you look, there's video. Reels, YouTube, Facebook. What I find surprising is a lot of agents in our business are not on video. And the reason I've come to learn is confidence. Being confident in front of the camera is not easy, but I have some really good news for you. Is I've developed a strategy for you to overcome your fears and to be more comfortable on camera. And stick around to the end, where I will show you the one tactic I have provided to many over the years to overcome this fear. You don't want to miss that one. One of the worst things you can do after you've recorded a video is watch it repeatedly. I never watch my videos, as I am my own worst critic. I remember the first YouTube I recorded. It was horrible and still lives on my channel today. I never watch any of my videos until after they are published. Otherwise, they will never get published. What people wear in videos is a great topic amongst us creators. I know successful people who wear tank tops and hoodies in their videos, and they have unreal watch time. This begs the question, do you really need to be concerned with how you look in videos? I think there are some where this really matters and some just don't care. The purpose of your video though is to distribute value through the video, just like what I'm doing here. Anyways, make that your purpose. Which brings me to my next point. Nonverbal communication is massive. I studied this extensively when I was at university. It is important to have movement in your videos. After all, motion creates emotion. I love that saying. Hand gestures are a great way to supplement what you are saying through words. Just make sure you're using them naturally and don't overdo it. Practice is another great way to overcome shyness. You can film and post on various social platforms daily. These posts are called story posts, and the good thing about these posts is they only last for 24 hours and then they disappear. This is great, as it's a great way to get into the video game. When recording, you should never look like you're reading. Look directly into the camera, and before you start recording, have some positive self-talk. I find this works very well. My one tactic that I've used over the years for realtors to overcome shyness is not rocket science, and it works. You are going to find a buddy. It can also be your spouse, anyone. What you're going to do is, instead of sending them text messages with your thumbs to these people, you're going to use your phone and send video messages to them. Nothing crazy, just short video messages. I cannot tell you how this has changed people's lives and eliminated any fears they once had being on camera. I've had many realtors in the past do this, and within weeks, they are posting videos on all the social platforms. I must say, I've been lucky enough to have a lot of proud moments in my career because of things like this. If you're not prospecting, you're unemployed. It's a saying we have within our collaboration group. In order to be successful, you must have numerous prospecting buckets of income. One of those should be open houses. In the next video, I'm going to share with you our open house prospecting system that has generated millions of dollars in sales and GCI for our agents. Also, if you want to dig deeper into your business, you can also do this by scheduling a call with me, as there is a link below to do that. It's completely complimentary, as I'm always intrigued by what is going on with people's real estate business and how I can help. Let's develop a blueprint for your business for life.